Welcome to Mindfulness and Nature with me, Mike Warwick. You might want to check out, if you like dogs, you might want to check out Mindfulness and Dogs, which is another playlist on our site. But I don't have a dog with me today, and so today we're with this incredible, I think it's a hawthorn tree. And so these beginning lessons, these are all about mindfulness and breath awareness. You know, because you can't repeat enough times the importance of breath when you're learning mindfulness. And also understanding and becoming aware of your own breathing patterns. Not just for practicing mindfulness, but in order to feel a sense of safety in the world. Because one of the things, I know it's very obvious, one of the things that our bodies need more than any other thing is the next breath. Okay, so today we're just going to get used to putting the attention on the breath. So whether are you lying down or you're standing or you're sitting, just take a slightly deeper than normal breath than your usual one. Take it through in through your nose if you can, and if you can't, take it in through your mouth. And let that breath out as well. Slightly more attention to it than usual. Now, with your eyes, you can keep your eyes open or you can close them, up to you. And then repeat. Take another breath. And let it out. And just notice it. I'm going to do one more. Breathing in. And breathing out. And, what was that like? So, are you noticing any sort of tightness anywhere? Maybe in your shoulders, or your arms, or your back, or your legs, or your neck? Face, muscles of your face? Legs, elbows, knees, ankles, feet. And now come back to your breath. And that's all we're doing for this lesson, which seems incredibly simple. just think about how important breath is to your body and to your well-being. Just being aware of the breath. Because with the mindfulness practice, you're training yourself to give more and more credence and importance and attention to your breath than maybe you've done up until now. Certainly since you were a kid. When you were a kid, breathing, certainly at the very beginning, for the majority of the people, not for everybody, but if you watch a baby breathing, it breathes very easily and deeply, most of the time. Some people have problems with it, but just breathing. So breath awareness, that was today's lesson.